All eyes are on the state Supreme Court hearing today. Are you still proud of signing this into law?
The people of Pennsylvania, have said, 87% of the people have indicated that they believe we should have voter ID. Everybody that I've talked to,
when did 87% say
there was a poll on that a number of months ago. We'll find it for you, but it's been out there. I mean, people have forgotten about it, but there were polls in the past. 87% of the people came out that we should have voter ID. Okay.
Can you tell us of one in-person voter fraud incident in Pennsylvania? One?
Well, first off, I believe that we should have ID with us.
But
Okay. You want me to finish? I'll finish. Okay. Secondly, this is making it clear that you have one person, one vote, one time, and the voter ID is a way, and photo ID is a way of ensuring that. Has there been voter fraud in the past? Yes, there's been legal cases. In the Senate race back in the 1990s, there was one, and I forget the name of the gentleman, that there was a voter fraud issue going on at that time. In person at the polls. I don't know the answer to that because that was before my time.
This law only fixes that, in-person fraud.
It makes sure that one person votes one time and that they are the person who they say they are.
So the last case you're aware of is in the...
I'm not comparing it by cases. I think it's a requirement. The people of Pennsylvania think it's a requirement. This is modeled after the Indiana law. That law has been upheld by the Supreme Court of the United States. This is almost identical to it. I'll disagree with those who don't like it. There are many people who like it.
So to those who say this is an outright attempt to keep many away from the polls,
it does not stop anybody from going to the polls. What it does is ask them to go get photo ID if they don't have it. If they have it and they're registered, they get to vote. And they have plenty of time to get the photo ID. This has been in existence since the springtime.
But what do you say to people who say you're fixing a problem, spending millions on a problem that doesn't even exist?
What I'm saying is we are ensuring the integrity of the elections.
But was there a question about
We're ensuring the integrity of the elections.
When was the last time there was a question, really,
There's been questions that have been raised here in the city of Philadelphia about why the Department of Justice didn't follow up on voter fraud, voter intimidation in the past. Okay?
That's a different issue.
It doesn't matter. It's the whole idea of protecting the vote as a whole. And this is a way of protecting the vote as a whole. Today, when you go and you get certain medications, you have to show your own photo, so you are identifying yourself as the person who's supposed to get it. I see no reason why we shouldn't be doing that with a photograph at the polls.
So,
let's move on.